Hello everyone. Welcome to MS Print on Spreadshop. You can shop our designs, customize them, or even upload your own design or logo to print on any product available in our store. These are the designs currently available in our shop. We continuously update our collection with new designs, which you can find here. Select the design you like and click on it to open. Then, choose the product you want to purchase. Customize the current design by clicking on the pencil icon below. Click on the pencil icon again to enter the editing mode. Resize the design as you wish by clicking on it. You can move the design and resize it as you wish. Click on the design to adjust its size. If you want to print this design on the back of the product, click on Print Areas and select either the front or back. You can also choose to print the design on both sides. To do this, click on Duplicate. Then select the back side of the product and adjust the design. This will also adjust the design on the front side. Now you can see the design on both sides. If you prefer to use your own design instead of ours, click the Delete button to remove our design. Then, click the Upload button on the left side and upload your own design or logo to be printed on the product. Resize the design as you wish by clicking on it. You can move the design and resize it as you wish. Click on the design to adjust its size. If you want to add a name or quote to your product, click the text button on the left side. You can then add text, customize it, resize it, make it rounded, and choose the fonts and colors according to your preference. You can also choose the printing style: digital direct, flex print, or special flex print. Feel free to explore and try them out. If you want to explore more designs available in our store, click on Designs. Select your preferred design and customize it. By clicking on Product, you can choose from a wide range of products available on our website and customize as per your needs. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Now, it's your turn to try it out. You can find the store link in the pinned comment and description. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest designs and updates. Happy shopping!